In this video, the cannon is animated to move along its y-axis. So if I drag the time slider, we'll see that the cannon is going to move in this way. What we want to do is to make it so that the wheels turn as the cannon moves. This is done by what's called wiring or wire parameters. So if I select the cannon and I right-click and I come down to wire parameters and I click here, the question is, what tracks do I want to wire to what other tracks? I want to wire the change in position of the cannon along Y to the change in position of the wheel along its rotational axis, and that's going to be rotation Y, such. And when I do that, I get this dialog that is talking about wheel right, and it's going to be the rotation along the y-axis, which is the around the center, and I want that to respond to a change in position of the cannon. These buttons cover what direction I want the driving to go. I only want it to go one way, that is, the change in position drives the change in rotation, so I click this button here. Now if I click connect, then the two are wired together. I know from experience that wiring it this way will make the wheel turn too quickly, and so I'm going to divide that by 15. So the change in position, 1/15 that speed, is the speed of the rotation around the wheel's y-axis. And we are wiring the right wheel, so I click connect. And then if I just click on the time slider, it's hard to see it because that's the wheel in the back. So let's do the other wheel now. So I'm going to click the cannon again, right click, wire parameters, transform position Y. We're going to wire from the cannon, right click, wire parameters, transform position Y to the wheel, transform rotation Y, and I'm going to hit the refresh button here. So this will be wheel left, rotation, and again divide by 15 to slow it down. Make it the cannon drives the wheel, and click connect. And now if I drag the time slider, we will see that the wheel moves with the cannon. This is the essence of wiring parameters. This is the essence of wire parameters. It creates an expression relating two tracks together. This is the most basic example, but the equation and the relationship can get much more elaborate, and the nice thing about this is you are not writing code to do so.